What in the world is all that? Where did this stuff come from? Oh my goodness, what the heck? Ugh, I can't believe it.
Welcome back. Today I want to show you how to organize and declutter your laundry room. While I would really deny that this is my mess, I am the person, I look at it and go, oh my gosh, what animal lives here? It's that bad. Let me take you in. That's something I have to do. Oh, terrible. But this is my laundry room. It's a little cramped, but I'll give you a tour of the before. This is my working laundry room. As you can see, I am doing some laundry, so you'll hear it in the background. And this is my mess. I have no idea how this all just suddenly ballooned into this. I mean, I have so much storage, but I'm just not utilizing it. The heck? I don't even know why it's taken me so long to address this. It is certainly a case of out of sight, out of mind, especially behind the door. So the hardest part about this project is starting. I picked a calm day where I'm alone. I can just dive right in, because what I'm going to do to start is to sort of empty everything out and then intentionally put back only the things I want in the laundry room that belong in the laundry room. It'll start to make sense. Speed right through it. Accidentally canceled the wash. Now it's draining. Guess this load's gonna get really clean. The fact that I canceled it, I guess it's okay, because I'm gonna wash or clean the inside of the bin, and then when the load is done, I will throw in a tablet that will wash the machine. That's the plan. All the dust we get here, you'd think we live in the desert, but it's just the Central Valley, California. So I got a step ladder. I accidentally canceled my wash, but that gives me the opportunity to clean this part of the wash machine, because some people neglect that. You look in the wash machine and there's all this gunk in here and in here and under there. And this isn't too bad, but it should be cleaned. Now it's time for the closet. almost there, but I'm questioning my sanity at starting this project. I found another iron. I just threw my other one out because it stopped working. Maybe this one works. Not that I use irons. We went really deep. Extra floor tile. I don't think it belongs in my laundry room. It actually was stuck to the shelf. I am so questioning the sanity of starting this project. Let me show you what my hallway looks like now. All this stuff, all that, was in my laundry room closet. Unbelievable how this happened. So now I've got to go through, sort, declutter, and figure out what I need to keep and what I need to toss. Let the games begin. Whenever I have a project this big, I get a box for the stuff that I'm decluttering and going to get out of the house. I'll put it up on my local Facebook free either buy nothing group, or I'm just going to give it away. Pipe insulation should be in the garage. It's also super helpful to start by emptying the trash so you can fill one up again. Worry Mouse is busy holding down my garbage pile. Here's my to-go box for donations. I have my hallway back. I just need to vacuum it, but I have somebody sleeping during the day, so I can't do that just now. This is my laundry room makeover. Feeling pretty good about it.